everyone, for today's tips and tricks to make your life more fun, I want to tell you about the ggeasy package. So ggeasy is essentially a series of wrappers around common ggplot functions that you use really frequently, but you can never really remember, right? So here I'm going to load the tidyverse and the ggeasy package, and I'm going to get the penguins data. Remember that we can get the penguins data from R now, so long as you are using R 4.5. You don't have to have the Palmer penguins package loaded anymore. So I'm going to make a quick penguin plot here where I'm plotting penguin body mass by flipper length, and the points are colored by species, right? And I'm going to show you some functions from the ggeasy package that make it easy to make changes to what your legend looks like, to make changes to the formatting of your title, and to make changes to the formatting of your axis labels without having to go into the details of ggplot themes, right? So ordinarily, if you wanted to, let's say, move the legend, you would want to pull up the help for ggplot theme. And then you'd have to find which of this long list of parameters relates to legends. How do I move the legend? Legend position, maybe. It would take a long time, right? But with the ggeasy package, there are these really intuitive wrappers that help you do common ggplot things really easily. So let's start by moving our legend to the bottom of the plot. So I'm just going to add on the bottom here, easy move legend, and then it wants to know where I want to move it to. So I want to say 2 equals bottom. I run that, and my legend has been repositioned at the bottom of the plot. Now, I don't love how the legend title is either, so I want to add a different legend title. So I'm going to go again easy, and this time add legend title, and I want to call it penguin species instead of just species. I run that line, and now I have a new legend title at the bottom of my plot that is called legend species. All right, so how about the formatting of the title of my plot? At the moment it says penguin dimensions by species. I want that title to be bold. There is a function for that in ggeasy. You can just say easy title bold, and it will make your title bold. Whoops, need to spell that right though. Easy title bold, and my title is bold. I want to change the size of the font as well. So I go easy title size, and I want size equals, let's say 20. I'll make it big. There we go. And I want to move that title to the center. So I want to center the title. I'll go easy center title and run that line. All right, so now we have a bold title that is sized 20 in the center of our plot. All right, so there's a few functions to move and change your legend, to move and change your title. What about the axes? So I want to change the size of the font that the axis text and the axis title labels are. So I want each to be a bit bigger. So I'm going to use easy text size, and you can change more than one thing at once with this function. So I want to say which text do I want to change, and I'm going to say I want to change the axis text X and the axis text Y, and I want to change those to be 12. We'll try that. All right, those got bigger. Excellent. And then I want to do the same for the labels. So I'm just going to copy this line, and instead of axis text, I change this to title. And I'm going to make the titles 16. All right, so now I have axis value labels and axis titles that are a bit bigger. Super easy. So I highly recommend the ggeasy package. It has wrappers for all the things you can't remember how to do in ggplot. Good luck.